Understanding Watershed Adaptation, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and crucial concept in environmental studies and climate change response: watershed adaptation. This topic is not only important for scientists and policymakers but also for each one of us who cares about the future of our planet. We'll break down what watershed adaptation means, why it's important, and how it's being implemented around the world. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the adaptation part, let's first understand what a watershed is. A watershed is an area of land that channels rainfall and snowmelt to creeks, streams, and rivers, and eventually to outflow points such as reservoirs, bays, and the ocean. Think of it as a natural basin collecting all the water within a specific area. Watersheds are crucial for our water supply, biodiversity, and ecosystem health. Now, let's talk about adaptation. In the context of environmental science, adaptation refers to the process of adjusting to actual or expected climate and its effects. This can mean altering practices, processes, and structures to minimize harm or exploit beneficial opportunities arising from climate change. Adaptation is about being proactive rather than reactive to the changes happening in our environment. Combining the two concepts, watershed adaptation involves strategies and actions to protect and improve the resilience of watershed ecosystems in the face of climate change. This can include measures to manage water resources more efficiently, restore natural landscapes to improve water absorption, or build infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather events. The goal is to ensure that watersheds can continue to provide essential services, such as fresh water, flood protection, and habitats for wildlife, even as the climate changes. There are many ways communities around the world are adapting their watersheds. For instance, restoring wetlands to absorb floodwaters, implementing rainwater harvesting systems to augment water supply, and adopting sustainable agricultural practices to reduce runoff and soil erosion. Each of these actions not only helps adapt to changing climate conditions but also contributes to the overall health and sustainability of the watershed. Watershed adaptation is a dynamic and complex process that requires the involvement of everyone: governments, communities, and individuals. By understanding and implementing adaptation strategies, we can ensure the resilience of our watersheds and, consequently, the well-being of our planet and future generations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Let's all do our part in fostering a sustainable and adaptable world. See you in the next video.